How does knee pain start? The main function of the knee joint is to bend and bear the whole body's weight and straighten. The causes can be varied and the treatment can differ depending on the diagnosis. What are the causes of knee arthritis? Age. The risk of knee arthritis increases with age, as the wear and tear on the joints accumulates over time. Obesity. Being overweight or obese puts additional stress on the joints, which can lead to the development of knee arthritis. Genetics. Some people are more prone to developing knee arthritis due to their genetic makeup. Previous injury. A previous injury to the knee, such as a fracture or ligament tear, can increase the risk of developing knee arthritis. Profession. Certain professions, such as those that require frequent kneeling or lifting heavy objects, can increase the risk of developing knee arthritis. Diagnosis. The diagnosis for knee pain treatment would be different depending on the severity of the pain. The doctor is likely to inspect the knee for swelling, pain, bruising, tenderness, and warmth. Treatment. In regenerative medical procedures, stem cells are extracted from our bone marrow and then turned into a concentrate. This concentrate is then injected into the affected joints, which will help improve the joint structure and soft tissues. This procedure eliminates the risk of surgery with minimally invasive procedures. Benefits of regenerative treatment. RegenOrtho supports regenerative treatments like concentrated platelet procedure and BMAC procedures help your body heal itself. They reduce pain, swelling, and improve movement. Unlike pills that only mask pain, regenerative treatments fix the problem, giving you long-lasting relief without surgery. Urgent call for treatment. Don't wait. Musculoskeletal problems get worse over time. If you delay treatment, the damage can become permanent, leading to more pain and less mobility. Act fast with RegenOrtho Sports regenerative treatments and stop the problem before it worsens.